Do you sneeze when you look at the sun? If you do, you might have a medical condition. It's actually called ACHOO syndrome, and it stands for Autosomal Dominant Compelling Helio-Ophthalmic Outburst Syndrome. And yes, this is actually a genetically inherited reflex. It's also called the photic reflex, and it happens when there's a sudden bright light that triggers your brain to sneeze. It's not fully understood, but research does say it could potentially be related to a miscommunication between a couple of your cranial nerves. Now, it's also been shown that this is more likely to happen in individuals who have blue or green eyes. It's seen in up to 1/3 of the population, but not everybody does this. Actually, not everybody will sneeze when they look at the sun, but if you do, you are unique. Also, don't look at the sun. What about you? Do you sneeze every time you look at the sun?